everyone, and welcome to 2-Minute Tips with the Qualtrics Experience community. Today we're going to talk about building a TextIQ model leveraging Qualtrics pre-built topics. For an overview on what TextIQ is, check out our Getting Started with TextIQ 2-Minute Tip video. Let's get started. First, we need to access TextIQ. You can do so from the dashboards page and clicking on this magnifying glass icon. Now we have to select the question that we want to start analyzing. We can always add more later. It might take a few minutes to load. Once it loads, we'll be able to analyze all of our open-ended responses right here. If we want to leverage the Qualtrics pre-built topics, we'll have to click on Import Topics. Then we'll select a Qualtrics topic library and click Next. This screen shows all the pre-built topics Qualtrics has done, divided by industries. We can find from airlines, which is the ones that we will use, all to government and retail banking. For this exercise, we'll select airlines and then click on Preview. Here, we'll be able to see all the topics and subtopics that will go into our model. We can also select or deselect topics and subtopics that make sense for our analysis. Once we're happy with our selection, we'll click on Import. This might also take a few minutes to load. Once it loads, we'll have a page similar to this. You can see all of our topics and subtopics in the left-hand side. We'll also find a bubble chart divided into the different topics, and each topic will be divided into the different sentiments and percentages of those sentiments. We can also click on these topics to filter by these specific words. If we scroll down, we'll find a topic frequency over time and all of our comments divided into very negative sentiment, negative, mixed, positive, very positive, or neutral. Some of the best practices Qualtrics has is having 80 to 85% of categorized comments make a significant result. This can serve as a base to get started with your own topic model. You can always add more topics and subtopics as you go along analyzing your comments. You can also leverage these topic models on your widgets to start analyzing that open-ended feedback along with other data. You can join us for another 2-minute tip video where we will be reviewing all these different types of widgets. Now you know how to start leveraging Qualtrics pre-built topics. Let us know what you think in the comments below and be sure to come back next week for another 2-minute tip video.